Get ready to transform your home into a festive wonderland. In today's video, we're sharing top Christmas decoration ideas you need to try this year. From magical lighting setups to cozy DIY touches, we've got it all. Plus, we've linked the must-have products in the description to make it easy for you to bring these ideas to life. Let's dive in and make this Christmas unforgettable. Pre-lit artificial Christmas tree. Transform your holiday decor with the Yahitech 6 feet pre-lit artificial Christmas tree, a perfect blend of festive elegance and convenience. Designed to create a winter wonderland in your home, this stunning tree features a beautiful snow-flocked finish that mimics the magic of freshly fallen snow. With 820 lush branch tips, it offers a full and realistic appearance, ready to showcase your favorite ornaments or stand beautifully on its own. Pre-strung with 250 warm white incandescent lights, this tree ensures your holiday glow is both timeless and inviting. The lights are evenly distributed, saving you the hassle of untangling strings. Its sturdy foldable metal stand provides exceptional stability, ensuring your tree remains secure throughout the season. Whether as the centerpiece of your living room or a charming addition to any festive setting, this tree is a must-have for creating cherished holiday memories. Elevate your celebrations with ease, assemble, fluff, and enjoy a magical Christmas atmosphere. Christmas window clings snowflakes. Add a festive touch to your home this holiday season with the Deor 135 pieces Christmas window clings. Transform your windows into a magical winter wonderland with these delightful snowflake decals. Designed for effortless decorating, these static window stickers require no glue, making them easy to apply, reposition, and remove without leaving any residue. The set includes 135 intricately designed snowflake clings in various sizes and patterns, perfect for creating a unique and personalized Christmas display. Whether you're decorating for a cozy family gathering or hosting a lively holiday party, these decals bring an instant seasonal charm to your windows, mirrors, or glass doors. Ideal for Christmas, Thanksgiving, or any festive occasion, these durable, reusable clings are crafted to last through the holiday season. Unleash your creativity, combine snowflakes, stars, and festive patterns to create stunning holiday scenes. With Deor Christmas window clings, your holiday decor will sparkle with joy and elegance. Lego Christmas Tree. Bring holiday cheer to life with the Lego Christmas Tree, 40573. Delightful building set that's perfect for kids and adults alike. Designed for builders aged 12 and up, this charming kit combines the creativity of Lego with the joy of the holiday season. The set features a beautifully detailed mini Christmas tree complete with ornaments, candles, and a star topper, making it the perfect tabletop decoration. Whether you're sprucing up your desk, mantle, or holiday centerpiece, this miniature tree adds a festive flair to any space. With its easy-to-follow instructions and piece-by-piece assembly, this set is a fun and relaxing activity to enjoy solo or with loved ones. It also makes a thoughtful and unique gift for Lego enthusiasts, kids, or anyone looking to add a touch of magic to their holidays. Celebrate the season with Lego creativity, build, display, and share the joy of the Lego Christmas tree for years to come. Pre-lit artificial Christmas garland. Elevate your holiday decor with the National Tree Company pre-lit artificial Christmas garland, a stunning addition to your Christmas collection. Measuring 9 feet in length, this crestwood spruce garland brings the beauty of nature into your home with lifelike greenery adorned with pine cones and berry clusters, creating a warm and festive ambience. Pre-lit with sparkling white lights, this garland adds a magical glow to mantels, banisters, doorways, or tables. The battery-operated design eliminates the need for messy cords, offering effortless setup and placement flexibility. Crafted for durability, this garland will maintain its lush, full appearance season after season, saving you the hassle of yearly replacements. Whether you're hosting holiday gatherings or creating a cozy, festive retreat for your family, this versatile garland makes decorating easy and elegant. With its timeless design and hassle-free convenience, the National Tree Company pre-lit Christmas garland ensures your holiday celebrations shine with style and charm. Snow blanket. Create your own winter wonderland with the snow blanket, 3 by 8 foot thick Christmas fake snow blanket, the ultimate holiday decoration for adding a touch of frosty magic to your Christmas displays. This fluffy, soft, and realistic snow blanket is perfect for transforming any space into a cozy, festive scene. Measuring 3 by 8 feet, this versatile snow blanket is ideal for covering Christmas village displays, crafting a dreamy tree base, or adding snowy charm to tabletops, mantels, and windowsills. Its thick, high-quality material mimics the texture of freshly fallen snow, making it an eye-catching addition to your holiday decor. Easy to cut and shape, this snow blanket allows for endless creative possibilities, whether you're designing a stunning centerpiece or accenting your Christmas tree. Durable and reusable, it's the perfect choice for spreading holiday cheer year after year. Bring the magic of a snowy Christmas indoors with this artificial Christmas blanket, a must-have for any holiday enthusiast. Thanks for joining us on this festive journey. We hope these Christmas decoration ideas inspire you to add extra magic to your holiday season. Don't forget to check out the description for product links to recreate these looks effortlessly. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Gadget Geek Reviews, and ring the bell so you never miss our creative tips and ideas. Happy decorating and Merry Christmas!